Kapag maintaining everything that you have in the relationship, wife yan. Kapag growth or development ng life, focus dyan, husband.
Sino ba dapat ang mag-handle ng mga chores sa bahay?
So I think it's the wife
I
ko.
think we both agree na yung pagmamanage,
Regardless kung working or hindi working si mom.
I think kung halimbawa you're helping each other,
Yeah.
kumbaga hindi lang technically, kasi we have our own careers, and then at the same time, she has her own business, I have my own, and then we also have a business that we manage together. But despite of that, in terms of sa bahay, siya talaga ang nagmamanage.
Yeah. Kahit na super busy natin,
So,
talagang
para sa
managing
iba, siguro
the
pag
chores.
nandun pa kayo sa stage na nag-work kayo both, at least dapat nang mag-practice kung paano yung management ng mga
Buong
chores.
household.
Yung babae talaga.
Yeah.
Para sa akin kasi, I have bigger perspective na kapag maintaining everything that you have in the relationship, wife yan. Kapag parang growth or development ng life, yan, dapat ang focus dyan, husband. Kumbaga, I'm not saying it's limited to husband and it's limited to wife. Well, if
Share.
it works
Share. Kumbaga,
either
pwede naman
way sa
magtulungan
inyo, mas okay.